So this was del v by del x equal to del of whole by x e raised to x sin y plus y e raised to x cos y whole divided by del x. Okay. So what happens is so see sin y is other than x term, so the x term is derivative of the constant coefficient. But if they are constant alone, is sin y alone? No, it is multiplied with x term multiplied. So this is just coefficient. Derivative coefficient is coefficient taken out, then you take derivative of the function, then you multiply the coefficient afterwards directly. And but here there are these two extents. These two extents they are multiplied by a single term, so there is a whole derivative of two functions. Of two functions, whole derivative, what do we do? D by dx of u into v, like two functions, let's say, of x. So when we do derivative of two functions, what happens is derivative of du by dx, okay? Derivative so we take derivative of first function into second function intact, then we add, then the first function intact, take derivative of second function, so we do that. So sin y outside, why it's not working? Sin y outside. So x e raised to x, let's say, so we keep the x intact, e raised to x, okay, I have to show you. Derivative of e raised to x is same, e raised to x. And d by dx, x raised to 1, x raised to n is equal to, and x raised to n minus 1. And d by dx of x is 1, because obviously x raised to 1, coefficient 1, and x raised to n minus 1, right? So this power comes in coefficient, and power gets reduced by 1, minus 1, it becomes 0. So yeah, x raised to 0 is 1. So where are we? Yeah. So this is like non-x term. This is y term. So other than x term is considered constant for the coefficient. If they are multiplied with x term, so it is multiplied with x term. So there are two x terms multiplied with one term. So we have to take the whole derivative. And the derivative of two different functions is x and is x raised to different functions. If the derivative of two functions multiplied is taken, then it is d of whole bracket u into v. Let's say u is a different function, v is a different function of x. So first function derivative into second function intact plus first function intact is the second function derivative. And so what I have to do is x. So like this, e raised to x derivative is e raised to x. E raised to x simple. Now plus plus right. So second function intact into first function derivative of x. So I proved here that x is equal to 1, so d by x equal to 1. So derivative of x would be 1. So 1, anything into 1 is 1, right? Right. Divide this, x into 1 is equal to x. Anything multiplied by 1 is x. So e raised to x into 1 is 1. Simple stuff. Now plus now what we do is y into e raised to okay. So y cos y are total y terms which are different from x terms, and different other than x terms are the constants for alone, not alone. So not the constant derivative won't be 0. Yeah. So alone the constant d by dx is equal to 0. So this won't be 0 because this is not standalone like y cos y. This is different than x, but it is not alone. It is multiplied with x term. So it is coefficient, okay? E raised to x is there. So it is multiplied with e raised to x. So e raised to x is x term, so it will be taken derivative. So we have to take derivative of e raised to x. But what we do with coefficient, we just take it out where it is. We just take it out and multiply to the function's derivative directly later. We just take it out. So we copy the y cos y and we just take derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x and multiply with this directly. E raised to x. So this is our first derivative, and we should keep it, okay? Very safe. So sin y is out of brackets, so multiply to both of them. So it will be x e raised to x sin y plus this kind of e raised to x sin y plus e raised to x y cos y. And here we are with the del by x, but we have to take del v by x whole square, del square by del square v by x square. Oh, now we have done one derivative. This is del v by x, so this is derivative. Then we have to double derivative. Derivative of this now, again derivative, okay? So del square v by x square is derivative of this. So this derivative will be, well, this is not a real pain. I'm not joking. Derivative should reduce things, but nothing's going to reduce here for you. E raised to x sin y. Now there were 2 terms, now there are 3 terms. Wow, I'm not surprised. I'm flabbergasted. Wow, holy sheesh. So x e raised to x sin y. Oh my god. So again we have to do this. We actually took x e raised to x sin y's derivative, okay? So we just have to put this right here, okay? So it's the same stuff, so just put it here. And I also forgot to tell you that del of d by dx of f of x plus g of x are two different functions if you are taking derivative together. So it is same as if we take derivative of this separately and just add it. So it is simple, right? Have fun. At least they didn't complicate this stuff. So that's the savior. So we have it here, okay? This stuff, like derivative of x e raised to x sin y, okay? So we have it here, so this is the same stuff, okay? It is the same stuff. X e raised to x sin y plus, do we have this? Yeah, we have e raised to x y cos y. I have to take full, I have to zoom out, give you a full view so you can take screenshot, take notes. Here you go, take screenshot and take notes or something. So, yeah.